Hi, let me show you how to make an object fall with gravity in Blender. We'll start by opening a new project in Blender. Let's add a cube to the scene. Now we're going to give the cube some weight. To do that, go to the Physics tab on the right and enable Rigid Body. I activate the object and set its weight. When I press play, the object falls down. It keeps falling because there's nothing underneath it. So let's add a floor below the cube and try again. The cube fell through the floor. That's because the floor is still active. Let's change it to passive. Now it works properly. Thanks for watching.